The warm weather and long days of summer make it the perfect time to transform your backyard or patio. In today's Ask Angie segment, we have tips on how to incorporate summer trends into your outdoor spaces.
If you're not sure what to do with your outdoor space this summer, we've got you covered. Rupa Mehta, an outdoor home expert at Angi, is here to walk us through her favorite outdoor trends this summer.
Yeah, bohemian style decor and furniture are popping up everywhere this summer. Turn your outdoor space into a bohemian oasis by sticking to a natural color palette that's comprised of cream, beige, sage green, and grays. You can always add planters or rugs that will really give the space pops of color. Add rattan furniture and assorted rugs to instantly give your space a trendy and bohemian look.
Lush landscapes are also trending this year, so think about bringing in as many plants as possible. Plants aren't just for your flower beds. Add potted plants to your patio or outdoor office to make the space feel calm and welcoming. A local landscaper can be helpful in choosing the right plants for your landscape and climate.
This summer, we're seeing a lot of people take advantage of their outdoor space during work hours. Create the perfect outdoor office by setting up a comfortable space. Find a covered area in your backyard or talk to a pro about installing a covering like a retractable roof. Choose an outdoor office table and chair that is a comfortable height for you to sit in for long periods of time. I just set up my outdoor office on our deck and it is surrounded by plants, similar to what I have here in my home as well.
And don't forget to add work from home essentials like a Wi Fi extender to ensure you have top notch internet connection and an outdoor outlet to make sure your computer is always charged. You can also add some cozy touches to the space like an outdoor rug and a lumbar pillow to help support your back while you work.
With the beautiful summer weather, more people want to sit and enjoy their meals outside. Think about installing an outdoor kitchen. You can start small by just adding a grill, ice chest, and kitchen cart to your outdoor space, or you can call a local pro to talk about installing a custom full service outdoor kitchen.
Do you have questions about your home projects? Well, tweet them using hashtag AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.